I'm gonna fall on the floor. Hey guys, it's a little late in my house right now. It's like 10 o'clock, so everyone's sleeping, but they're kind of used to my voice anyway, so we're gonna get this video up and at them. I wanted to do a unboxing with you guys. Let me make sure my address is not creeping anywhere around the box. But as you know, I did just buy a new line, so I wanted to kind of show you guys what you would get if you went that route. And I just think it's super awesome, especially if you're starting out. It's really hard to figure out who, what, where, when, why when you need to buy a kit. And it's really important that you do buy a kit, because otherwise you're just like, oh, send me a picture of what your hair looks like now, and then you're trying to gauge what the color is going to be, and you're gonna like make shifting some formulas that you maybe could have had a better result if you would have been prepared and had what you need. So this is not a super expensive kit by any means, and then I have some other colors here too as well I can show you guys, because I use more than one line. So this one's just super awesome. There's a cool story behind it. His mom was a hairdresser, and you know, he watched her be behind the chair forever and not make any money. Like, we know who we are. We're like, we have our moments where we're like undercharging, not charging our worth, all that jazz. So that's kind of what he stands behind. So he does have an additional opportunity if you wanted to go that far. If not, just go online, purchase the color. It's awesome color. It's great ingredients. It has grade 4 pharmaceutical ingredients. Don't quote me on that. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called, from my memory on researching it really quick. And because it's kind of hard to like keep it all in your brain. But my biggest thing was it had aloe in it. I did some research before I even heard of the line about aloe, and it is really good for promoting a healthy scalp. And I actually use it in my current shampoo, which is Biolage, and it has the aloe and it's hydrating, and I love it. So this also has a little bit more happening right here. So it does say argan oil, so it's to heal the hair. I don't know if my hair is like cute. Rice protein to strengthen the hair, aloe vera to protect the scalp, and then calendula extract, soften hair. And I heard of calendula for the first time last year when I was couponing and I was like learning about it. I had heard that word like a million times, but I never knew what it was. So anyways, that is what's in the hair color. I got a few of these other supplies because I was practicing on my doll head the other day, and this was the side that I did with Winn. And that's what the line's called. So it's called Winn Pro, and then again, you order it online only. It's not available in like Salon Centric or Cosmoprof. So anyways, but it's pretty cool. It comes in like 2 days, as far as, if you order on normal days and stuff. So I did a shadow root on her. As you can see, it's 2 different size. Like this one's darker. This I used a 7.1, which is like an ash base. And then I just shadow rooted her up to here. And then I did a few balayage pieces. So where you really see these light pieces, those are balayage. Everything else was just what she already had, like her little brassy orange color. On this side I did Joico. Joico, I did the blonde, and I didn't do any shadow root. I didn't tone either sides. They both got really, really light to me. I thought that was amazing. But I fell in love with both lighteners, FYI. So I did the Joico Lumi Shine, and when I tried it, I've tried it on my mom before, and I just loved it. So the cool things about these is that they're better products. So that's always nice, right? We don't want to be around, there's a toxic world in general. Let's try to like save where we can. So this is what they call the Color Brilliant Lightening Powder. You do get 1764 ounces. I don't know the price offhand. My entire kit was $180 or $185, one of those numbers. So again, don't quote me on that. I'm gonna take a little drink of my smoothie. I had a Facebook Live at 8 o'clock that ran a little bit over. So I'm like, I gotta get this video up. Sorry, no sleep. Team no sleep. And I wanna make sure I don't have any smoothie in my tea. So I did miss dinner tonight. It's all right, but it's not worth eating right now. So that's why I actually made a green smoothie this morning. So it's kind of like fate. Like, I guess I knew I just wasn't gonna get dinner tonight. So, and then again, just like some clips and stuff like that. So I had these foils. I want to do a different video on foils with you guys. So comment down below if that's something you're interested in. You could drop a little emoji, get this party rolling. I ordered the back bar retail line as well. And keep in mind, you can still use whatever you want in your salon. But you don't have to adjust by these. You just have to purchase it online. That's the only difference. Okay, so I'm going to put my back bar aside and grab the developers. So I did get the 10 and 20 developers. Just keep in mind too, I got the 20 envelop permanent line kit. You can get, if you do way more balayages, which I messed up, I do actually way more balayages, and they actually let you return or upgrade within the first 30 days. So I can still do that if I want to. What's going on with my hair? I'm not sure what's happening with my hair. I just made it worse. Okay. So I'm not sure. I might just like add it to my order and my next order. So anyways, like I said, the bleach was freaking amazing. I loved it. The consistency was so like, the bleach is such finely milled that, oh my God, this is gonna bug me. I need a bobby pin. So when I did do her hair, I did work with 20. I worked on 20 on both sides with both different products. So these are awesome. Actually, they have a flip cap. So you just go like that. Boop. If you guys use Redken Shades EQ, it's similar to that. And this is a different mixing ratio. It's 1 to 1.5. So you're gonna do 1 ounce of color, you would do 1.5 ounces of developer. So that's kind of cool, you guys, because I think these run about $7.15 a box. So don't quote me on that. I'm like steering you guys wrong all night. And then, oh, I don't even know how much developers are, but typically good developers are like $9. So obviously you get a lot further with 946 milliliters, which is 32 fluid ounces. So that's kind of cool. That's like a good concept. These are 2 ounce 0.03. So I wanted to show you guys all the colors I got. So I got 7, 7-1, 5-1, 5B. So again, B means that it's an ash base with this color line. So just FYI. My swatch book is on back order, but I thought that was really cool that it includes a swatch book. So again, new people, you guys definitely need all of that in your life. Then we got a regular 5N. Probably use that on myself tomorrow. I need to do my roots. I think I'm a 5N. I don't even remember. 7.37G. I'm assuming that's gold. Then we got 10X, which this has got to be some type of toner, I want to say. 3N, and then 6.1, 6B, so 6 ash. Got some regular 1N, 6N. So you do get, remember, if you have like a 1 and a 3, you can make a 2. So just remember that, guys. I get a 4N, and then I got 10.1X. I wish I had my swatch book. I would show you guys. But that's why I thought it was really cool to bring, what should we call her, Candace? I don't know. I don't know, I think she's a Candace. So I wanted to show Candace on here for you to see like the results. And I also did a video yesterday actually demonstrating the shadow root and the foils. So if you guys are interested, I will link that either here or somewhere in this video. This is 3 and 7. We got regular 8, and then we got 8.3. So a ton of color. 9.3, 9.1. His line is really super easy to follow and super easy to learn, and it's not that big. So just FYI. 9.1, 9.3. Ooh, don't fall like Jenga. Oh my gosh. You guys, would that not be the funnest game? It's like hairstylist Jenga. 9 and then 9.32 GBL. I'm gonna go get that copywritten or whatever it's called. All done. And then, oh wait, and this was already mine. I was like, I get a key. Nope, that was mine. That was on me. And I don't think it tells you the prices in here. So yeah. So yeah, it tells you like all about these botanical ingredients. So it's definitely on the right track. And you guys can earn cash back, just FYI. But you do not have to. So I know it's scaring everyone. They think it's an MLM and a scam and stuff like that. The only thing that you should be scared about with an MLM in general is that they keep making you buy inventory. He just requires you to buy $200 a month to get paid back. If you don't want to do that, just go buy this color, buy this developer online, pay for shipping and handling, use an amazing product for your clients, charge them more if you paid more for color. You guys know how to work your business and get on with your life. So like there's really no like hidden, you know, secret. Like I said, the only reason you should really be afraid of MLM is because they make you buy like $3,000 worth of inventory that you can't sell. But you guys will be using color in the salon. You need to have different selection for yourself to use in order to be a successful stylist. You want to be able to create whatever you need to and make beautiful hair colors. And like I said, if this is like truly better, then why not offer something better for your clients? They all are headed that way anyways. And I used this yesterday. I loved the consistency of it. It reminded me of Matrix color. It just comes out so smooth, and then that developer just like pudding, you know? So like it was awesome, and you don't even have to really mix it. So normally I do use Kenra. since I'm done showing you guys the line, I'll go ahead and show you like what I typically would have bought. I would go to Cosmoprof, waste the gas, bring my baby out of the car with me, load him up, hope that he doesn't cause a scene and run across the store when you could just go online and order stuff. But you can actually order Kenra online as well. I was looking at their kits because I do like Kenra color and I do like Kenra products. So I'm not necessarily just gonna fully switch or anything like that. You never know, I might fall madly deeply in love with it, but anyways. So this is 6N and 6. Okay, that is all for the color line. And then, oh, and I have a 10N. There you go, he's hiding in there. Okay, so it has this nectar oil, Shine Nectar. So this is a leave-in, but it says directions for additional heat protection and faster blow dry. Apply 2 to 4 pumps. Towel dried hair, gently massage the lengths and ends, paying attention to the dry areas. Do not rinse, style as normal. Apply a drop to ends throughout the day. I'm so tired. Blah. For added shine, for pre-shampoo, restorative treatment, apply to brush hair and rinse out before shampooing. And then you have the Bio Bond. This is a restore damaged hair and elasticity, reduces fading. And this is #1 shampoo. Then you have the conditioner, so bond building. And that's why it was confusing me the other day. It's like on different sides of the bottle. So I was like, why do I have like 6 #2s? But that wasn't the case. So after shampooing, wring excess moisture, wait 1 to 5 minutes, rinse with cool water for best results, use in conjunction with the Bio Bond and Hydrolock products. Avoid contact with eyes. So yeah, this is the same. I keep thinking they're different, that's why. So then you have the Bio Bond for damaged and color treated hair. I've only ever used a shampoo and conditioner. It does smell really good. So I use that on the doll head, which she don't smell like that anymore. She's like crusty. And then this one, after shampooing and conditioning, rinse excess moisture from hair, apply leave-in to damp hair before styling. For best results, use in conjunction with the other Bio Bond products. And then you have Ocean Mist. So wave enhancing. I'm gonna open it just like this so I can smell it. I don't wanna actually spray it. Ooh. Smells like a cologne, you guys. I love hair products that smell like a cologne. Oh my God. Okay, so this is a wave enhancing texture creating botanical tonic. So for perfect BT wave, shampoo, condition, and Winn care, towel dry hair and apply evenly. Soften ends by applying Shine Nectar and allow to air dry. Alternatively, apply to damp hair to improve brush grip while blow drying for voluminous style. For best results, use in conjunction with other Bio Bond Hydrolock products. Okay, so that is it, you guys. And so just to quickly explain how the little program works, if you guys want more information, just let me know. But I pretty much kind of explained it to you. It's a way to give back to the hairdresser. And I don't know about you guys, but I don't want to just be doing hair forever. And I need a retirement plan. And I also want perks that are easy to get. I know that there are point systems, but as far as I know, nobody knows how many like orders you have to make and how consistent you need to be, yada yada yada. Literally we have to do $200 a month, which I spend in 2 days, so that's not a problem for me. I'm like, this is like a no-brainer. And I'm already going to get paid back $50 for buying this line. So if you guys have any questions on that, just let me know. But yeah, I wish you guys all the best of luck. Just Google it if you want to. I will put my link below. If you click that link and you sign up, I could potentially make commission. So I just want you guys to know that and be aware of that. There's nothing to hide. It's affiliate marketing. It is across the board, all about YouTube. So I just want to be completely honest with you guys. Affiliate marketing is super, super popular and you guys should be on the board with it as well. All right, well, have a good night. And I'm not sure which video I want to do next. You guys can help me out with this a little bit. It could be on either pricing, like how to break down prices, who, what, where, when, why, how to look for your area and find out what your competition is. You definitely need to be charging more. If you feel like you're undercharging, you probably are. If you're not a little uncomfortable when you're telling that person the total, you're undercharging, okay? You guys, and I always tell them up front, then you don't have to sweat the whole time in the chair. I mean, that's actually kind of dirty anyways if you don't tell them. So yeah, that is it. We showed you some products, we showed you some, all that jazz, gave you a little bit of the opportunity. And yeah, this is actually, they actually are giving you a quicker option to be an educator too, which is actually up my alley. As you guys can see, I make teaching videos. So I'll have a way broad like horizon, if you will, if I do get on a little bit bored with this product, because there is a summit that's coming up and I'm trying to earn. I could either earn my way or just pay for it, which is not super expensive. So I'm not worried about that. It's more like getting there, I guess, is what my little challenge would be. But that's okay. That's how you grow. So yeah, thank you guys again for listening to my end ramble. Drop a scissor cutting emoji down below, and we will talk to you later. Bye, guys. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. That'd be awesome. Okay, thanks. And then share this video if you feel like there's a hairdresser that is out there that needs to hear about this, and or tag them down below. Okay, and I'll be doing a giveaway very soon. It can't be on products because obviously you have to be licensed, and that'd just be way too crazy. That's another thing, you guys. You have to be licensed in order to even get near this product. So don't think that it's just like drugstore and like he's handing it out to every Miss Joe Schmo on this planet, because you can't, okay? So you already have to be a hairstylist, you have to be active, you have to be working to obviously make money, because you have to spend $200 in color. Makes sense, right? And you can't just be like the retired hairstylist that doesn't do hair anymore and then gets all this opportunity. So it's another way to look at it. But yeah, so like I said, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will talk to you later.